Well, this ink lab is very important to not only the Secret Service, but to the entire world. It's an international ink library. It was started by Dr. Tony Cantu in the 1980s, and he was a pioneer in this. He realized that ink, much like your fingerprints, once analyzed and stored, can be used to solve crimes. And these crimes are crimes that protect the financial infrastructure of the country, so counterfeit money, traveler's checks, checks itself, and then also to protect the President of the United States. You see close to 15,000 different inks, and each one of these inks, if you will, tells a story. The earliest ink bottle goes back to the 1930s. So Dr. Cantu said, let's keep this bottle. So we have that all the way, and you may have seen we have inks that has smells in it. So we have a cheese-smelling ink and a chocolate-smelling ink. All the different inks that we can find from around the world. So not just the United States, but when we travel overseas, we'll grab a pen and we'll analyze that pen. We'll also talk to our partners out there and try to get their ink samples as well. And then we'll bring them all here so we could just have this vast library. So if somebody is counterfeiting currency or traveler's checks or checks, whether it's via printer or an old-fashioned inkwell, we have the technology to solve the crime.